What happens if the inspector gets to the factory and within an hour it's clear that the inspection is going to fail and there's going to be major problems? What's your protocol for that?
Yeah. If there was some really critical issue, the first thing that we would do would be to inform the client about the issue and wait for their advisement about what to do. If it's not as critical, maybe we might continue with the inspection. So it just depends kind of on the severity of the situation.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.